So this is on page, let's see, 99. On example 1, what we want to do is we want to use our exponent rules. So we are going to add these exponents together. So e to the third plus an x, you're going to have e to the 3 plus x. That's going to equal e to the 5 times x. Since both sides have a base of e, you can set your exponents equal to one another, and you can solve. So we solve this equation. So you have 3 equals 4x, and then we solve, and we get x equals 3 over 4. What's nice about these is you can check your work, so that's kind of nice. Sometimes it's easier to, if you look at like example 1 on that type 2, actually no, it's worked down. So this does not have the same base, but if you think about the number 27 and 9, you can manipulate it so they will have the same base. So that would be your powers of 3. So 3 to the third is 27. So then I would do, put the x on the outside, and then 3 squared is 9, and then I'd put my exponent on the outside. So now the bases are the same, so we can set our exponents equal. So 3x is going to equal 2 times the quantity 3x minus 1. So be sure that you distribute that 2 through the parentheses. So that's 6x minus 2, and then we walk through and we solve this equation. So you have negative 3x equals negative 2, and then you divide, so x is going to equal to positive 2/3. So notice again, those two have the same base now. So the number 4, the number 8, again, we can change those so that they have the same base, and that would be a base of 2. So the 8 could be a 2 to the third, and then the x. Now we need the 4 to flip, so we change it to, so I'm just going to drop to the side, 2 squared is 4, but I need it to flip over. So if we change this to 2 to the negative 2, and then the 3 is on the outside. So notice you have the same bases now, so you have negative 6 equals 3x, and then we divide both sides by 3, and x equals negative 2.